Hi all, this is MathDOC. Let's start special shapes of graphs. Consider y equal x. It is a line. We say that is the mother function of linear type. Here it is. It is a line. Then y equal x square. That is the mother function of quadratic. Here it is parabolic shape. Let's say y equal x cube. That is the mother function of cubic function. Here x and y axis. Here it is in the type. Here it is. We can sketch those graphs by substituting values. Then similarly, consider y equal x to the power 4. That also like biquadratic. That also like quadratic. We say it is biquadratic expression. Parabolic shape. Then y equal x to the power 5. Like x cube. Here x axis, y axis. X cube shape is this. That is x to the power 5. Y equal x to the power 6. Here x axis, y axis. Like x to the power 2 and x to the power 4, this parabolic shape. Then from here, even powers shape parabolic, odd power shape here symmetrical about the origin, and here symmetrical about the y axis. But here coordinates somewhat different. Here this point 0, 0, and here this point 1, 1, 1, 1, and here this point 2, 4. When you substitute 2 here, 2 is got 4. And here 0, 0, here 1, 1, and when you substitute 2 here, that will be 8, no? 2 cube 8, 2, 8. Then here y values all are positive, but here y values can be positive or negative. Therefore here minus 1, minus 1. Then here minus 2, minus 8. Then x to the power 4, 0, 0, and here 1, 1 satisfied. When you substitute 1 here, 1 to the power 4, 1. Then for 2 value, that should be, here is 2, 16. 2, 16. Then here 0, 0. Here 1, 1. Then next 2 to the power 5. 32. Then 2, 32. Then here 0, 0. Here 1, 1. And here 2 to the power 6. 2, 2 to the power 6. 64. Then remember, x to the power 1 expression only a line, then only x square term parabolic, and similarly x to the power 4 parabolic, x to the power 6 also parabolic. Likewise, x to the power 8, x to the power 10, x to the power 12 all are parabolic shape. Then x cube, here the shape. Then similar pattern we can obtain for x to the power 5, x to the power 7, x to the power 9 likewise. Then consider another few things. Here x axis and y axis. Here this is y equal x square. Y equal x square. Then here this part we say x equals y squared. X equals y squared. Previous case it is symmetrical about the y axis. Now this case symmetrical about the x axis. And further, here x axis, here y axis. Then here y equal minus x squared. Y equal minus x squared. Then here x equals y square. Then here we say x equals minus y squared, the shape. Then here x equals y squared, its mirror image x equals minus y squared. Here y equal x squared, its mirror image y equal minus x squared. And at another one, here x-axis and y-axis. Here we say x equals y squared, x equals y squared. Then for x we get only positive values, and for y we can substitute plus or minus values. Then if you take square root, y equal root x, y equal root x. Here this is defined for positive real values with 0. Now remember, here x-axis, y-axis, y equal root x. When you square, you can obtain y squared equal x, that means this pattern. But y equal root x only for positive real values of x, then for positive real values of x, and similarly here sign is positive, therefore y value also positive. Therefore this part you can remove. Therefore finally root x like this. Then here 0 0, here 1 1, here 4 2, 1 1 4 2. That is root x. Now let's move further. Consider y equal root x. Here x-axis, y-axis. Now we know the shape is this. Then y equal minus root x. Then x values negative. We need to put negative x values. Therefore, it is like this. X equals 0, y equals 0. X equals minus 1, y equal 1. X equals 2, y equal minus 2. Okay. Then y equal minus root x. Previous case y equal square root minus x. Here x value must be negative. X value must be negative. And for this case x value must be positive. Now here the graph. Here x-axis, y-axis. Then mirror image of y equal root x. Here the graph. Then y equal minus minus x root. Here x-axis, y-axis. Here x value must be negative, otherwise within square root value positive. Then here for negative x values we obtain negative y values. Therefore here it is. Here the graph. Then remember y equal root x in first quadrant shape is this. Then y equal minus root minus x, it is in second quadrant. Then y equal minus root x, it is in fourth quadrant. Then y equal minus square root minus x, that is in third quadrant. And further, y equal root x. Here the shape. Then y equal minus root x. Here the shape, mirror image. y equal root x plus 1, you shift by 1 upward, then start from here 1, get the same shape. Y equal root x minus 1, here x axis, y axis, start from minus 1, same value. Then y equal x minus 1 root, here x value, x axis, y axis, start from x equals 1, when x minus 1 equals 0, we obtain 1. Now here the graph. Y equal x plus 1 square root, then x, y, when x plus 1 equals 0, x value minus 1, from there you get the shape. That is y equal x plus 1 root. And here remember, when x minus 1 equal to 0, x value 1, that's how we get starting point. And for this case, x plus 1 equals 0, then x equals minus 1, that will be the starting point. Here these are the relations with square roots, that means irrational functions. Thank you for watching us, MathDOC.